Hello guys, welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a room inside the Clubhouse app in 2020 and beyond. Guys, as I said in all my videos, I really believe that Clubhouse is going to be the next Facebook, the next Instagram, the next Snapchat, and all the stuff, so make sure to hop in before it's too late, guys. So as I said, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a room. If you can see, this is the home, and it's very self-explanatory, but it's hard in the same time because you want to make it things right. Okay, so right here you have a green button that says start a room. Now you can either choose if it's open, social, and close. Now for the open, it's open to everyone, so everyone can join. For the social, it's only the people that you follow, so not your followers, but people that you follow will be able to see this. And then closed, it's only people you choose. Like if you want to create a private room to talk with your friends, with your business partner, so all the stuff, you create a private one. But for now, let's just go with the open one, because this is the most common. And then also you want to select open and you want to add a topic. Okay guys, so here it's gonna be the title of the room. Like if you can see here, the first room, it says calm vibe and there's an emoji. This is the title basically of the room. What will appear when people are trying to join? Okay, so add a topic, let's say how to socials, and now we want to press set topic. Now we have the topic, and then if we press let's go, it's gonna load. And now heads up, sharing recording without speaker's permission violates. This is like not sharing people's and all. That's because I'm recording, but never mind guys. So here in the room you have different options. Like you can close the room if you are the owner. You can leave the room even if it's your room, and then it doesn't close it. Now if you press on this button, it's a note. If you press on this plus right here, it's pinging someone into the room. Those are my friends that are currently active, and you can add them in the room. Here you can mute your microphone, and here if you can raise your hand. Okay guys, so those would be the options. Though this is how you create a room inside Clubhouse. And now let me show you how you can end the room actually. Okay, and that's it. I left the room, guys. If you want to see how to join a room, how to change your Instagram, how to change your username, how to change your name, how to connect your Instagram, how to connect your Twitter, how to download the app, how to invite people, and how to schedule an event, make sure to check the channel's guide, because I have all those tutorials in there.